In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. So what we need to do first is we need to go ahead and open our Robinhood app and then click on send. And once you click on send, you need to select the crypto that you want to transfer. In this tutorial, I'm going with Ethereum. So I'm going to click on Ethereum in here. And now I'm going to click on enter address. And now we need to go to our other wallet to obtain a wallet address that we can paste in here. In this tutorial, I'm going with my Phantom wallet. And if you're on another wallet, you need to click on something that's saying receive or deposit crypto. And in this case, that is receive. So I'm going to click on the crypto that I'm going to transfer, and that is Ethereum in this tutorial. So I'm going to copy this wallet address to my clipboard. And now we're going to open Robinhood to paste in this address. And once you've opened Robinhood, then you can paste in the address. So go ahead and click on paste, then click on continue. And after you have done that, you can enter the amount that you want to transfer. So let's say that I want to transfer everything I have. Then I'm going to click on send all. And then it will ask if you're sure. I'm just going to click on continue. And after, I'm going to click on submit down below. And you can also see the fees and everything that is included in this transfer. And if everything is all right, go ahead and click on submit down below. And after you've done that, you can see that your transfer is processing. And now you can just go ahead and click on done. And now it will take a couple of minutes, maybe an hour, for it to be in your other wallet. So I'm just going to open my other wallet to see if it's already there. And as you can see, my balance has been updated. And this transfer was almost instant. So as you can see in my recent activity, you can see that it has been received. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.